Welcome to the Baramundi Management Suite Release 2026 R1. We have thoroughly modernized the Management Center. Numerous previous HTML views, including those in Job Views, the Managed Software add-on, and bundles, have been replaced with high-performance modern grid views. The result? Significantly faster load times, better clarity, and a consistent modern look and feel across all key areas. A real security highlight is the new Guardian mode, which is part of the Defense Control add-on. It helps you consistently implement the principle of least privilege. First, Baramundi inventories all local users who are members of an administrator group. In the second step, you can activate the protection in a targeted way. In Guardian mode, you can define whether unwanted accounts should be removed, deactivated, or deleted. With dynamic groups, you can restrict whether only certain devices are affected or specifically exclude certain devices. The settings are also automatically applied to accounts added in the future through live protection for endpoints to stay clean and secure over the long term. We're also making a big leap forward in asset management. Assets like smartphones, projectors, or hardware tokens can now be assigned directly to users or logical groups, not just devices. The new grid view gives you transparency at all times regarding inventory, purchase, and operating costs, as well as the current owner of an asset. On top of that, you can instantly see which devices are assigned to a user. Thanks to improved filters and export options, as well as direct navigation, you can find devices or owners in seconds. All data is also available via the API and can be easily processed further. We've also further expanded our co-management from modern cloud environments. With the new feature, we're integrating Microsoft Intune even more closely and extending conditional access scenarios. The Baramundi Management Suite checks the compliance status of your devices, such as iOS, Android, or macOS systems, and synchronizes this status with Microsoft Entra ID via Intune. This ensures that only compliant and secure devices can access company resources like Microsoft Teams or Outlook. The feature is currently available as a preview and complements existing Intune compliance rules. Data becomes knowledge. With the new reporting feature, we're laying the foundation for management-ready reports. A separate database stores historical data independently from day-to-day operations. The Baramundi Data Integration Service processes the information from the Management Suite and makes it available via the interface. With the included Power BI templates, you can immediately create meaningful reports, from migration progress and vulnerability trends to compliance rates. The new reporting feature is initially available as a preview and offers maximum flexibility for custom analyses. And now, enjoy the new release.